What the? This man is about to make mincemeat of his man parts. Ouch! Oh, ouch! Manscaped's Lawn Mower 4.0 was specifically designed to make below-the-waist grooming easy. I'm talking about trimming all parts of the male anatomy, even trimming your Featuring SkinSafe technology, this trimmer helps reduce the risk of nicking or snagging your man parts. And it's waterproof, so you can trim your hedges in the shower. The Lawn Mower 4.0 is equipped with a powerful 7,000 RPM motor with QuietStroke technology. It also features a bright 4000K LED spotlight. And when you're done, just place it on the convenient wireless charging system. This trimmer is trusted by over 4 million men worldwide. That's like 8 million balls. Do yourself a favor, try Manscaped's precision tools for your family jewels. Head over to manscaped.com and get the Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer today. And for a limited time, get a free pair of Manscaped boxers, free shipping, and a free shed travel bag.